Now I was looking for a sell, right? I was on the daily time frame because I expected this market to continue selling aggressively. Reason was because the PMI data came out, and of course we saw 52.3 increase, which shows that what investors are having confidence in the idea that Donald Trump is bringing into the market. And what would that cause? That would cause a bullish in dollar. Now the market ended up pushing to the upside because of the demand level that was at that zone. But few minutes later or few hours later, we got a news request from Financial Juice saying what China and US President Donald Trump have not been in conversation. Do you understand? Like they've not been contacting each other for the past 2 weeks. Meaning investors were already thinking, okay, since Donald Trump is almost ending the deal with China, and now the PMI data comes out positive, meaning there's a boost to the US economy. And all of a sudden, a news comes out to say what these investors, maybe they are just investing into US, but China and USA have not concluded a deal yet. And what happened? USD JPY continued to sell aggressively. Now, that was why I was taking that sell. Now, let's head to the chart so I can show you guys. Now, look, let's go to the daily time frame, okay? Now, this is the daily time frame. Now, the market was at this point here. Now, the market was at this point. The market was at this point, right? Before the PMI data came out. Now, pay attention to all these levels that I'll be marking, right? Now, this is where what? This is where your major demand zone is, right? This is where your main demand zone is. Then also, we also have a little demand zone around this level here, right? We also have a little demand zone around this level. But trust me, the demand zone at the bottom is stronger than this demand zone here. Why? My students in my mentorship and those that have also attended my physical class, they can easily explain this to you. But for the sake of this YouTube video, I'll still break down a few things for you. Now, like I said earlier, this demand zone is stronger than this demand zone. Do you understand? Now, the PMI data came out. Immediately the PMI data came out, what happened? Watch what happened. Pay attention to what I'm showing you guys. So immediately the PMI data came out, what happened? Boom, the market created what? An impulsive candle that was looking as if what? It has tested this demand zone. What does that mean? A push to the upside with resume, right? But don't forget, we have a main demand zone at this point. The main demand zone that will push this market to the upside is already at this point. Then what happened next? The market engulfed it back.